Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check your phone battery health. So I'm currently here on my phone, and in order to check your phone battery health, you actually need to head over to your Google Play Store and download an app that will be able to help you with that. And you just need to search View Phone Info. So after searching that, you'll find this one called Device Info Phone CPU System by Yasuru Nayana. I don't know how to read that, I'm so sorry. So you just need to install this app, and as you can see, it's actually we're just gonna help wait until it installs. And now it's properly installed, we're gonna be opening the app, and you can see all the info that you can find for your phone, all the 8 core, and this is my battery right here. As you can see, my battery health says that it's good. And in order to make sure that it is, you can find here like your current battery capacity. It says 5,000. And to know actually that whether this is fully healthy, is you head over to your calculator and calculate the number that you have, which is 5,000, and then divide that by 50. And as you can see, it's 100. That means my battery health is healthy. And that is how you'll be able to check your battery health on your phone. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.